Hey guys, I will be showing how to use Code Enchanter. It is a Unity asset that applies micro-optimizations to C# script files. I'll be using Unity's official FPSSample as my project. It is available on Github.com. Before using the asset, let's check the project if it has any errors. As you see, the project is ready for building and playing. And I committed all local changes to the Git repository, which are the meta files and asset files. So any changes made by the Code Enchanter will be visible here later. We go to Tools in the menu bar, then choose Code Enchanter. It takes some time to boot up. During booting, Code Enchanter reads your projects and finds all your CS script files. It is ready with 5 different enchantment types. It will process 1500 script files. We just need to click the enchant button, nothing else is needed actually. But before starting enchanting, I want to show advanced options as well. Here you can see 1500 script files in their directories. You can omit a file, a directory, or an enchantment type. Normally you won't need these options, but you might want to speed up things if you are using Enchanter over and over. Let's go to enchanting. I click the enchant button, and I'm being warned about backup. I committed all my local changes to my Git repository before, so I'm ignoring it. And Code Enchanter has started. Before actually processing the files, it takes a little while too. And it started to process the files. As you see, it is processing script files one by one. It is looking for a room for improvement on each file. If a possible improvement is found, minor modifications are applied to the script while preserving your code style and comments. These modifications or enchantments make your code use less CPU and use less space on memory. And these changes have no effect on the game logic or graphics at all. Your game will be the same as before, just a little more performant. You can pause and resume at any time. It's going to take some time to process all files, so I'm fast forwarding around 1 hour. Finally, Code Enchanter finished its job, and it did made 30 changes to the script files. Closing the window. Let's take a quick look at these modifications. The log file should be ignored. I see a tag comparison, a string concentration optimization, a distance comparison, some more distance comparisons, empty callback methods. Another string builder 1. Another tag. More tags. More string builders. String builders. Empty method. And more string builder ones. Let's go back to Unity. It's compiling the changed scripts. And let's check the game again. As you see, it is fully functional since the changes do not change the game logic. Thank you for watching. You can hit the forums or email me if you have any questions.